just got the outboard back from the boat and giving it a really good clean. It's been lying on its side, the correct side, in the locker all season. It's a bit grubby, but it's coming up well, and I'm giving it a spray with this protective oil. It's WD-40. Well, that all looks in really good condition. I might just spray the electrics. And I think that should be good. I haven't used this motor all season because we've been using the ePropulsion electric outboard, which has been so much easier. There is a wash plug here, and that screw gets removed, and this screws into it, and that is connected to a hose. So this is coming out. Get this one in. Fits in nicely. I'm going to get the end of the hose and I'm going to push that onto there. Okay. It is a very tight fit. It needs to go on. I'm just going to remove supply. In the Honda guides, they say that you should let it run for about 10 minutes and that you don't need to start the engine. I'm going to flush it through first, but I am going to start the engine and run it through, so at least the impeller has had a chance to move and pump some water out through some of these drain holes, which it wouldn't normally do. To make sure they're clean, particularly as I'm putting it away. I think it only needs a couple of minutes. The water is on and flowing. It's coming out of all the intakes, and I'll just let that run. Okay, let's see whether I can get it started. So, in neutral, fuel tap is on, fuel vent is open, choke, starter is on start, and the key cord, the little kill cord. I always carry a spare one in the outboard kit. Put it in. Now, it hasn't been started for a while, so I think this is going to be a two-handed job. So, that's brilliant. Started second pull. Good water flow everywhere. Fantastic. That's exactly what needs to happen. So that will have cleared out the ports, so I can just let it run for a couple of minutes and then I'll turn it on. Just going to disconnect the wash port, put these back, make sure the washer is on. And just screw it up into the hole. It's just nipped up tight. All these can go back in the toolkit. The motor just needs pivoting to just to drain out any excess water. So while it's doing that, I'm going to put the cover back on. The motor can go away now and be ready for use. The fuel I use is fully stabilised with fuel stabiliser. That's it, all finished and ready to go away.